Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi Shah, currently pursuing MCA in University of Mysore. My project topic is Artificial Intelligence in Stock Market Prediction. These are the contents I am going to focus on: Introduction, Motivation and Research Hypothesis, Forecasting Method, Artificial Intelligence Techniques, Neural Networks, Support Vector Machines, Neurofuzzy Models, AI-powered tools for stock market analysis, and conclusion. Introduction. Stock return or stock market prediction is an important financial subject that has attracted researchers' attention for many years. It involves an assumption that past publicly available information has some predictive relationship to future stock returns. The samples of such information include economic variables such as interest rate and exchange rates, industry specific information such as growth rates of industrial production and consumer price, and company specific information such as income statements and dividend yields. An attempt to predict stock returns, however, is opposed to general perception of market efficiency. The efficient market hypothesis states that all available information affecting the current stock values is accounted for by the market before the general public can make trades before on it. Therefore, it is impossible to forecast future prices since they already reflect everything that is currently known about the stocks. It is also believed that an efficient market will instantaneously adjust price of stocks based on news which arrives at the market in a random fashion. This line of reasoning supports the rationale for the so-called random walk model, which implies that the best prediction of the next period stock price is simply its current value. Nonetheless, this is still a debate issue because there is considerable evidence that markets are not fully efficient and it is possible to predict the future stocks price or indices with results that are better than random. Motivation and research hypothesis. The most fundamental motivation for trying to predict the stock market price is financial gain. The ability to uncover a mathematical model that can consistently predict the direction of the future stock price would make the owner of the model very wealthy. Thus, researchers, investors, and investment professionals are always attempting to find a stock market model that would yield them higher returns than their counterpart. The following hypotheses have been identified, and research outcome will attempt to test this hypothesis: neural networks, neurofuzzy models, support vector machines. Forecasting. Forecasting is an attempt to predict how a future event will occur. The main objective of forecasting the occurrence of this event is for decision makers to make better decisions. There are two major approaches to forecasting, namely explanatory and time series. There are two reasons for wanting to treat a system as a black box. First, the system may not be understood, and even if it were understood, it may be extremely difficult to measure the relationships assumed to govern its behavior. Second, the main concern may be only to predict what will happen and not why it happens. The financial time series is one of the least understood areas, which has been under scrutiny for some time for reasons that are well known. Hence, the focus of this work is time series forecasting. Forecasting methods. Accuracy, pattern of the data and its effects on individual forecasting methods, time horizon effects on forecasting methods, ease of application, accuracy measure selection, in-sample versus out-of-sample evaluation, transaction cost. Artificial intelligence techniques. AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. In this work, multilayer perception, neural networks, support vector machine, and neurofuzzy systems are used for the prediction of the stock market index. Neural networks. The theory of neural network computation provides interesting techniques that mimic the human brain and nerve system. A neural network is characterized by the pattern of connection among various network layers, the numbers of neurons in each layer, the learning algorithm, and the neuron activation function. In general, a neural network is a set of connected input and output units which each connection has weight associated with it. Neural networks can be used for classification or regression. Support vector machines. Traditionally, neural networks approaches have challenges of generalization and occasionally produces models that can overfit the data. This is a consequence of the optimization algorithm used to select the model parameters and the statistical measures. The foundation of support vector machines have been developed by Wapnick and are gaining popularity due to multiple attractive features and promising empirical performance. SVM models are formulated using structural risk minimization principle, which has been shown to superior to the traditional empirical risk minimization principle employed by the conventional neural networks. Neurofuzzy models. The concepts of fuzzy models and the neural networks model can be combined in various ways. This section covers the theory of fuzzy models and shows how a combination with neural networks concept gives what is called the neurofuzzy model. The most popular neurofuzzy model is Takagi Sugeno model, which is widely used in data-driven modeling. The model which is used in this work is described in the subsection that follows: fuzzy system, fuzzy logic operators, fuzzy to neurofuzzy, neurofuzzy learning algorithms. AI powered tools for stock market analysis. Caveat. Caveat is an data driven investing program that offers equity factors and signals that are timely and cost effective. The program's main feature is derived equity rating score called the K-score that ranges between 0 to 9. K-score is obtained by the analysis over 200 factors and signals, including fundamental price volume and alternative data. A K-score means a higher chance of outperformances of the stock. The software uses AI-based pattern recognition technology to recommend stocks daily. The product applies deep thinking, deep data, and deep discovery technologies to detect anomalies and predict a trend. Equibot. Equibot's platform uses machine learning algorithms, knowledge graphs, and IBM's Watson natural language processor. In particular, Equibot's AI platform integrated with IBM Watson helps global investment professionals to deliver better outcomes through portfolios as a service. Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas platform can perform tasks such as stock trading, opportunity detection, and back testings. Its algorithms make strategies in short time to help users identify possible beneficial trades. Their AI watches every stock and ETF to identify opportunities in real time. TrendSpider. It is a unique set of integrated tools that help with technical analysis of markets and reduce the grunt work of traders. Artificial intelligence based software generates smart chart that contains prediction for profitable trading opportunities. It helps find a plan and trades with greater efficiency. Trading technologies. Trading technologies offers all styles of trading tools like click trading, algo trading, options trading, and speed trading. The AI powered tools analysis historically and real time data along with surveillance for future and present risks. Conclusion. Three artificial intelligence techniques were applied to the prediction of the future price index of the stock market: artificial neural network, support vector machines, and neurofuzzy systems were used to predict the JSE composite price index. The approach taken for this project was to predict the future price of all share index. The vast amount of work done in this area with all three techniques has focused more on predicting the direction of the future price. This means the most researchers just wanted to know whether the stock price will go up or down in the future. The results have shown that past stock prices contain information that can be used to predict the future price. Thank you.